us. Joining me now via Skype from London is clinical pharmacist Adaku Efuribe. Thank you for joining us on TVC News.
Thank you for having me today.
Now, with the concerns raised by the WHO, does the decision by the NAFDAC to go ahead sit right with you?
Well, at the moment, the WHO is currently assessing the use of hydroxychloroquine on COVID-19 patients within the Solidarity trial. And the hydroxychloroquine has been paused as a precaution while the safety data is being reviewed. And the general advice for regulatory agencies in different countries is, for instance, if NAFDAC has already started the clinical trials with hydroxychloroquine, and if they have already enrolled people in the trial, the WHO has advised that those patients previously randomized to hydroxychloroquine treatment should continue to receive hydroxychloroquine until they finish their course of treatment. This is because the use of hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are accepted as generally safe for the use in patients with autoimmune disease or malaria. So the general advice is that if they have already started the clinical trials, the patients have to complete their course.
The decision here now is that NAFDAC is saying that they are going ahead, whatever it is, whatever decision WHO is saying. Is that something that sits right with you? That's the question.
Well, at the moment, like I said, the advice is because these two medicines, I mean, hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine are all quinoline molecules, and they have similar properties. So if NAFDAC has already commenced the clinical trials, and they've already started patients on those medications, as long as they are following the guidelines, and as long as they are monitoring those patients, the WHO has said that they have to finish up the trial and allow the patients to complete the course. But my advice is that NAFDAC has to keep an eye on those patients if they have already started taking those medications, because of the study published on the Lancet on the 22nd of May, and among the 100,000 patients from multiple countries randomized to receive hydroxychloroquine, when used alone or with a macrolide, there was a higher mortality rate and an increased frequency of irregular heartbeats. So if NAFDAC is going to continue this trial, they have to monitor patients for irregular heartbeats. If they have already started patients on hydroxychloroquine, they have to complete the course. Yeah, that's the advice.
All right, Adaku Efuribe, thank you for speaking with us.